Big Bird's Bowling League. Big Bird is at the playground and ready to play.
Hey, that looks like fun.
Wahoo! Whee! Strike!
Looks like those penguins are bowling. Wow, look at them go. I wonder if they could use another player. Hey, let's see how many penguins are playing right now. Let's count the penguins. Tap to count the penguins. 1,
Ay, ay, ay!
2,
Yahoo!
3,
Hey!
4,
Whee!
5,
Ayo! Wah, 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 wah.
5 penguins. I think there might be room for me, but I don't know how to join.
Wahoo! Whee! Strike!
Bowling sure does look like fun.
Big Bird imagines trying to join the group.
What if...
Big Bird picks up the bowling ball without asking first.
Hey, that's my ball! Wah.
But when he tries to roll it back, it hits another ball instead of the pins.
Hey, that's not how you play! Wah, 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 wah.
Oh no! What if I try to join the game, but I don't know how to play? Oh, I'm having a big feeling. My palms are sweaty and my heart is beating fast. I'm feeling nervous. Happy. Nervous. I'm a little worried about asking to join the group. I'm feeling nervous, but it's okay because my granny bird taught me something to do when I feel this way. So now I have a special rhyme I say when I feel nervous about joining play.
Help finish the sentence by finding the word that rhymes.
The sentence goes, to make new friends, you have to try. Just go up and say, apples. Hi. Hi. That's it. The word try rhymes with hi. To make new friends, you have to try. Just go up and say hi.
Big Bird imagines trying to join the group again.
What if... Hello there, I'm Big Bird. Hi.
Oh, nice to meet you. Oh, hey, we're one bird short. You want to play?
Count me in. Now I feel ready to join the game. How should I try and join the play? Should I ask to join? Or offer to help? Offer to help. Okay, I'll say hello and offer to help. Hi, my name's Big Bird. Can I help you line the pins back up?
Thanks, friend. Wah. Oh, you want to play with us?
Sure.
Let's go.
Now I'm having a new feeling. I'm smiling and I feel good inside. I'm feeling happy. Proud. Happy. Yes, I'm feeling good and ready to play. Come on, let's bowl. Roll the ball to the pin. You knocked down 2 pins. That means you have 8 pins left. Roll again. You knocked down 8 pins.
Yahoo!
That was so much fun. I'm glad I got to play. At first, I was feeling nervous about trying to join the group, but then I remembered the rhyme that my granny bird taught me about making new friends. It goes, to make new friends, you have to try. Just go up and say hi.